Join me, let me show you how to make this amazing hair cream for massive hair growth. It's so easy. Join me, guys. So I will be using 1 onion in this remedy. So onion promotes hair growth. Onion contains mineral that is a key of compound, and onions have this vitamin called keratin, the protein that make up hair. So onions is very vital for our hair growth because of the vitamin it contains. Go ahead and slice your onion, pour it into your blender, add a little bit of water. So the next I'll be using is ginger. Ginger is also good in promoting hair growth and strengthening hair with its rich vitamin and mineral, and it's also good for dry hair. Go ahead, slice, add it to your blender, and next you have to blend everything together. Get a bowl and pour it into your bowl. So I'm going to use my sieve. Get your spoon, press it, but if you have the other scarf for sieving, you can also use it, but I don't have it, so I'm just using this. The next I'm going to get a wipe. So I'm going to pour it into my wipe so I can be able to sieve it properly. So I'm just going to go ahead and sieve it again. So you have to press it out. So this is all we got. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead. So I'm just going to go ahead and add 1 spoon of black cumin oil. So stir it very well, mix it. Then get any of your container, pour it. I have this little container here, so just pour it, but it's okay. Then it's ready, so pour it and spray it into your hair. I'm just going to go to my bathroom, apply it into your hair. So I barbed my hair a few months ago. So apply it very well, thoroughly apply it thoroughly. Allow it to go into your scalp. So massage it very well. So do this for 3 to 4 times in a week. Okay, and see the massive good result. Look at your front hair. You know you are losing hair, your back hair, you're on your front hair. Apply it more and cover it for 1 hour or 30 minutes. It's done. See you. Bye.